Homelessness is on the rise across the state, with both veteran and elderly populations seeing the steepest increase in 2025.
Liv Kelleher joins us from St. George this evening. And Liv, what other trends are contributing to this problem specifically in southern Utah?
Well, Heidi, leadership here describes Utah as a state of two extremes, with shelters in southern Utah feeling challenges in the summer heat and shelters in northern Utah reaching capacity in harsh winters, only sending more people down here and putting a stress on the overall system.
Our overflow is at capacity during summer and the off season. So imagine what winter's about to bring.
In St. George shelters, beds are full. With decreasing temperatures and increasing economic uncertainty, only more people are expected to come.
Here in southern Utah, we're seeing rapid rises in home prices, and salaries and wages and job opportunities are not rising to meet.
Zachary Almaguer with Switchpoint says these factors contribute to the nearly 400 unhoused people in Washington County.
They're working 80 hours a week, full-time jobs, and it's still not adding up.
Now, shelters struggle to meet demand.
If 3 to 4 more individuals were to check in today, we'd be at capacity.
In the past 2 years, the amount of unhoused residents in Washington County increased nearly 30%, according to the Department of Workforce Services. Across last year, Washington County shelters faced 82% capacity on average.
We had to turn away 111 individuals last year that we would have given a bed to.
Both shelters are currently supported by private donors as well as state and federal partners.
I don't think you would find a state program or individual who would say that there's enough to run their program. Obviously, with everything we do, we could always use more.
Switchpoint and the Dove Center offer additional resources to help people facing homelessness, even if they can't house them. Almaguer says without sufficient affordable housing options, demand will always exist.
We could talk about the problem all day long, but if you don't do something about it, it's never going to end.
Switchpoint recently completed an expansion that would add 16 units. The Dove Center is also raising capital to expand their capacity. You can find resources to help support both shelters on our website, KUTV.com. Reporting live in St. George, Liv Kelleher, KUTV 2 News.